Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for a wallpaper in the Top Widgets application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the wallpapers button at the bottom of the page, and then just click on the search button, and as you can see there are popular topics which are mentioned here, but you can also search for your own. And for example, if you type in dog, then it will search for the cutest and most popular photos of dogs, so you can just browse in them. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.